Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make Facebook dark mode. So update your Facebook app from the Play Store or App Store. So once you update it, log into your account and you will see the light mode version of the Facebook as you are seeing on my screen right now. Now click on the three dots, three horizontal lines that you see in the top right corner, just like this. So you'll reach here, scroll down till you see the settings and privacy option. Click here. Now one of the options you can see dark mode in the middle. Okay, click on that here and you'll see on, off and system settings. So system settings mostly if you'll go here and you use the dark mode on iPhone or Android, then it will also change to the similar settings here. However, you can simply turn off or turn on using this option. Now right now it is turned off. I'm going to turn it on, so it will be permanent dark mode on Facebook. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay, now I'm going to the home page and you can see the dark mode is on. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.